Why are there not more people talking about how to pack light for Kenya? Packing light is an art, and when you're heading to a place as diverse and beautiful as Kenya, it's essential to get it right. Whether you're planning to explore the bustling city of Nairobi, the stunning beaches of Mombasa, or the breathtaking landscapes of the Masai Mara, packing light will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive into the essentials. The key to packing light is to focus on what you truly need and to choose items that serve multiple purposes. This way you can avoid overpacking and still have everything you need for a fantastic trip. First things first, ditch the bulky suitcase. A large suitcase can be cumbersome and difficult to manage, especially when you're navigating through different terrains and modes of transportation. Instead, opt for a more practical solution. Get yourself a comfy, durable backpack. A good backpack will not only be easier to carry, but will also help you stay organized. Look for one with multiple compartments and a sturdy build to keep your belongings safe and accessible. Next, pack versatile clothing. Think layers and lightweight pieces you can mix and match. This way you can adapt to different weather conditions and still look great. Choose items that are easy to wash and quick to dry so you can wear them multiple times during your trip. Kenya's climate can be wild, so bring a light rain jacket even if it looks sunny out. The weather can change quickly, and a rain jacket will keep you dry and comfortable. Plus, it can double as a windbreaker or an extra layer of warmth if needed. For toiletries, go mini. Travel-sized everything is your new best friend. Not only do they save space, but they also comply with airline regulations for carry-on liquids. Pack only the essentials and consider solid alternatives like bar soap and shampoo bars to further reduce bulk. Also, a microfiber towel will save you space and dry super quick. These towels are lightweight, compact and highly absorbent, making them perfect for travel. They can be used for everything from drying off after a swim to wiping down your gear. Don't forget a good pair of walking shoes. Kenya's landscapes are stunning but can be rough on the feet. Choose shoes that are comfortable, durable and suitable for various activities, from city walks to hiking trails. Tech tip: a universal adapter and portable charger are must-haves. With different plug types and power outlets, a universal adapter will ensure you can charge your devices anywhere. A portable charger will keep your gadgets powered up when you're on the go, so you never miss capturing those incredible moments. And finally, pack a reusable water bottle to keep hydrated and eco-friendly. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in a warm climate like Kenya's. A reusable bottle reduces plastic waste and can be refilled throughout your journey, saving you money and helping the environment. Pack light, travel smart, and enjoy every moment of your Kenyan adventure. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared for an unforgettable experience. Remember, the less you carry, the more freedom you have to explore and immerse yourself in the beauty and culture of Kenya. So, pack wisely, stay flexible, and make the most of your trip. Happy travels!